Okay, so you're looking for an auto-blogging tool to automate your blog with AI. You want to have a blog that automatically generates and posts articles like this to your site. Like this, meaning like the ones you see here on screen. This is all done with AI. The featured image, the proper structuring, the table of contents, the in-article images, the internal links, the in-article videos that are relevant to what the content is about, bullets, tables, quotes, more images, internal links, external links, all this done with AI. And you want to be able to generate this, all the ones you want, and automatically get them published to your blog on autopilot. And today I'm going to show you how to do it. It is pretty straightforward. Just go to tryjournalist.com, scroll down to Autoblogs, click on New Autoblog, and then once you're here, just select how many articles you want to generate, and then post every single month, weekday, 12 or 6 hours. Click Create New Autoblog, and this will start generating and automatically posting the articles to your blog. Now, there's a lot of nuance here, of course, because you might be wondering, okay, now it's going to be posting 300 articles every 6 hours, but about what, right? And to which blog, right? And so we're going to dive deep into all the specifics right now. So first things first is the blog, right? What does this connect with? At the moment, we connect with WordPress, Shopify, Ghost, Wix, Webflow, Blogger, or if you want to use Zapier or an external API, we do also allow you to do that. But essentially, the Autoblog, right? You're automating and your blog that generates and publishes articles. You can do that to WordPress, Shopify, Ghost, Wix, Webflow, or Blogger, okay? Now, what type of articles is it going to be posting? Well, you just go here to generate articles, right? This is the input, because this is an AI generator. This is the input you give to the AI. So if you were using ChatGPT, for example, you tell it, okay, write me an article about X, Y, and Z. And that would be the input. And the output will be the article. In this case, this is the input, right? All this stuff right here. And when you click generate, it will give the output, which is the ones that you see here. This is the output. Now, what can you do here? So first things first is to select how many articles you want. Let's do 300, right? Now, then you can select if you want videos, yes or no. If you want images, if so, what type of images do you want? We also have offer AI-based images, and if you do choose AI-based images, you can even add custom prompts. You can enable and disable featured images, the in-article images. Here's where you can set up external linking. For example, let me give you an example. Let's say, for example, we generate an article for our blog that is about gardening, right? And we want to link out to maybe Wikipedia. Maybe we want to link out to this amazing authoritative blog in the gardening niche. Maybe we do not want to link out to a competitor of ours. So we add a link here to exclude those certain competitors, right? But essentially what this does is allow you to link to external sources of your site, right? Then we also have internal linking, which is where you link out to another blog post of yours. Maybe you link out to your homepage, maybe you link out to your product page, maybe you link out to your services page, right? This is all done automatically for you. So we'll write the article and then we'll skim through and see, okay, where can we add links to? And then of course, where will those links link out to, right? Both in the case for the internal and the external linking. Structure, you can add custom calls to action. You can enable and disable all this. You can select the article length. Formatting, you can enable and disable all this. Knowledge, you can connect this to the web so that the content is up to date. You can even connect a brand. So if you do connect a brand right here, what you're doing is you're connecting Journalist AI with your brand, and your brand is made out of assets. An asset can be your website, can be your LinkedIn, can be your Twitter page, can be any text documents you have, any audio documents you have. All of these are what we call brand assets. And when you connect this AI with your brand, basically the AI is able to produce brand-tailored content using your own brand's mannerisms, your brand's tone of voice, your brand's images. So essentially non-generic AI-based content, right? Speaking of content, you can produce content in over 150 different languages. So if you want to produce content targeting the European market in Portuguese, Spanish, Italian, Greek, you can do so here. And we have a pretty cool case study of some guys doing it, like these guys that have a fintech company. They actually just bought a bank for 35 million euros. They're called Rova. All the results here, this is all done using Journalist AI, but to produce content in Portuguese, right? And because the Portuguese market is often underserved, so there's a lot of demand, but not enough supply of content, they were easily able to rank and outrank the competitors here in Portugal, because again, there's not many competition here. You can select the target country as well. This is very important. Creativity levels, the tone of voice, the point of view, the formality. You can even add custom instructions, or if you want to automatically include your keywords in the articles, you can by doing so here. And finally, you can generate content off of titles, off of a description, off of keywords, or off of keyword monitors. Now, what this is if you go here to keyword monitors, add, actually, just do this one right here. Add your site, add your country, add your language. The AI will give you a list of keywords, right, with their monthly searches and the SEO difficulty that you can have here, and then you can have the AI generate content based off of these keywords, which is what I have here, right? On top of that, on top of showing you how to do an Autoblog, I'll show you how you can leverage AI to do the keyword research for you and to generate content based off of those keywords. So again, you can select the keywords here and then have the AI generate content like the one you see here based off of those keywords. Super, super powerful. Now, then you can also set up an Autoblog that takes that generated content and posts it to your site and indexes it automatically on Google. So what this does, and actually finally, how to automatically syndicate the content to social media. So essentially what this does, all this software and all this video is about, is you connect this AI with your site right here, and it does the keyword research, right, what you see here. Then it generates content based off of this keyword research. Then it automatically publishes the content to your site. Then if you go here, sorry, let me just scroll down real quick here to indexers, right, you can have the content be automatically indexed in Google. So as soon as the blog posts, the individual blog posts are posted to your site, they're going to be automatically submitted to Google for fast indexing. On top of that, as soon as they're posted, they're going to be automatically syndicated to all your social media platforms. That's LinkedIn, Twitter, which is now called X, and Facebook, right? All of this on autopilot for you, right? This is the definition of an Autoblog, right? It does the keyword research, then takes those keywords and generates the content, then automatically publishes the content to your site, then automatically indexes it, then syndicates it. And of course, all these posts on your site will be interlinked between each other, right, in a way that makes sense. And again, all the posts will be like this, right? They feature the image, proper table of contents, proper article structure with in-article images, bullets, tables, quotes, internal links, external links, even videos, again, that complement what the article is about, that add to the article, right? Not just some random videos, right? The videos are placed in the exact section, where it makes sense, right? Preserving your harvest, and this video is about harvesting, okay? So again, nothing here is random, none of the links are random, none of the images are random, none of the videos are random, nothing is random. All is done with some thought put into it. So yeah, this is how you automate it. Essentially, just go to threadjournalist.com, I'll leave a link down below in the description, go to Autoblogs again, click new Autoblog, and name it my Autoblog 1. Select your preset. Now, of course, as I said before, if you go here to generate articles, you fill all this in. As such, you fill all this in, and you can just save it as a preset right here, right? Save it as my blog 1 preset, save it, and once you're here, just select the preset you just saved, right? Select how many articles you want, select the frequency of posting, and select where you want to post them to. That's your integration, right? Again, your integration can be any one of these CMS right here. It can be, again, WordPress, Shopify, Ghost, Wix, Webflow, Blogger. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's how you do it. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments, and I'll help you out as soon as I can. Cheers.